Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Apple Pay to PayPal, quick fix step by step clearly. To transfer money from Apple Pay to PayPal, start by ensuring you've linked your Apple Pay account to a bank account. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Select the Apple Pay card you want to use for the transfer. Next, open the PayPal app on your device. Log in to your PayPal account. Tap on the transfer or withdraw option. Choose to transfer funds to your bank account. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from Apple Pay. Confirm the transfer details. Next, return to the Wallet app. Select the Transfer to Bank option. Enter the same amount you wish to withdraw from Apple Pay. Follow the prompts to link your PayPal linked bank account if it's not already connected. Confirm your transfer request. Finally, check your PayPal account to ensure the funds have been received. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. You have now successfully transferred money from Apple Pay to PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.